Hey, hey! Hope you guys are doing well today. I am coming to you from a home in Dunwoody where one of our clients has invited us in to renovate a couple of their bathrooms, and we are just so excited to share with you. The master bathroom is now complete, so we wanted to share with you some views of what we've done. So right here we have the brand new bamboo vanity with a granite slab on top. So pretty. And this is a porcelain tile floor. Here it matches so beautifully with the walls. It goes so well with the granite countertops. Beautiful chrome finishes on new fixtures here on the sink. These are high efficiency as well. Really pretty accents. Big new mirrors on the walls. Lots of storage in this bamboo vanity. So pretty. There's your second sink, so we've got a double here, a his and hers. Matching chrome fixtures for hanging the towels. This toilet is a high efficiency toilet. This means not only is it low flow, it only flushes a gallon each time, and it also has a special piston inside that gives power to the flush. So instead of using a lot of extra water, you're using the force that comes naturally in the toilet in order to get your flushes really efficient. There's a beautiful bright window. And then here we've got a brand new shower. It is a frameless glass door. Right here it's tempered glass. It opens both ways, inward and outward. More chrome to match the rest of the bathroom. And inside they've chosen this really pretty hexagon, and it's a matte finish, not a glossy finish, so it doesn't have that slippery factor, which can so often be a problem in the bathroom. We have two chrome grab bars. These are solid pieces, so they're nice and steady for grabbing on, holding your weight if you need to, just that extra support. Our clients intend to be in this house for the long term, so that's what they're planning for, and making their shower good and safe and sturdy for them for the long term. And then we've got these beautiful tiles on the sides, and this accent tile is just to die for. I absolutely love what they chose with this beautiful metallic design. It goes all the way around, you can see here. And then this is a rainfall shower head, just so neat, and you can adjust the angle. Some people like it straight down, some people like it at an angle. And it has an extra spray head, which gives you lots of flexibility in your shower experience. And then, so this is your hot cold knob here. This is a second control, which actually gives you the ability to either turn on just the rainfall, just the spray shower, or you can do both at the same time if you prefer. So great flexibility there. Got these super cool 3-inch LED lights here on the ceiling. They're great. This is a high efficiency fan. It's very quiet, so you don't even notice it, but it works very well to keep the air nice and clean. And here we actually put some special dimmer switches, so if you come in the middle of the night, you've got all these levels of lighting that you can choose. You can leave it on a really low setting for the nighttime, so you can basically work it as a night light and not have to just blind yourself when you come in to use the restroom at night. So just some great options and flexibility. I love the designs they chose. I didn't show you these yet. These are super cool modern pendant lights that hang real close to the ceiling, but just really light up beautifully and give you the perfect level of lighting for in front of your mirror and in the bathroom. So these are some highlights. Let us know of any questions you have. Glad to help answer them, and hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful day.